Can I still use these headphones with the 10?
Yeah, but you'll need an adapter, or as most people like to call it, a dongle.
A what?
A dongle.
A dongle?
Yeah, a dongle. It comes in the box.
Hey guys, Galaxy Note 10 is just a days far and we are getting lots of leaked images of the handset, and it's almost confirmed that we'll be getting single punch-hole infinity display at the front and triple rear camera setup at the back. But this time we get interesting leaked accessories for the upcoming Note, which is the LED view cover. These LED view cover images were leaked by WinFuture, and this is the first time we are seeing this kind of covers for the Galaxy phones. And this time finally Samsung is going to ditch the 3.5mm jack from their flagship devices. We have also seen the leaked images of the USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack dongle for the Note 10, which will be included in the box. So this confirms that there won't be 3.5mm jack in the upcoming Galaxy Note. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and take care.